Hello there. So you want to know how you can simply go ahead and create a Walmart account on your mobile device. This is going to be the only video that you'll ever need to watch on the internet. So with that being said, let's just get straight into the video, shall we? So first of all, simply go ahead and open your app store and then simply go ahead and search for Walmart in order to go ahead and download their application first. And once you've already simply clicked on that, click on the download icon or the get icon right over here, and then it's going to start downloading onto your device. So once it is starting to download, it's not going to take any longer than 5 to 10 seconds, so you can simply go ahead and wait for it to happen. As you can see, once it is downloaded, simply go ahead and tap on the open icon, and once you've done that, you're going to be on this page right over here where you can simply go ahead and click on sign in. And once you've done that, all you need to do is simply go ahead and enter your phone number or email, and if you don't have an account, it's going to simply go ahead and ask you to create a password. Go ahead and enter that password that you want to create, and finally, once you've done that, it's going to ask you to go ahead and verify that email or mobile number by sending a verification code to it, and simply go ahead and enter that back to the application, and your account will be ready to shop. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, hit that like